After you send out your emails and you get a response from the people that are willing to pay you to fix this problem, all you have to do is... Hey everybody, this is Nick Ponte from nickponte.com and offlinesharks.com, and today this video is all about how you can make $100 per day from home fast. Now keep in mind that the results of this strategy are not going to just appear on your desk in front of you without taking any action on your part at all. But if you follow my directions carefully, you can actually make a lot more than $100 per day. So like this video, subscribe to this channel, let me know in the comments below that you subscribed. I do respond to every single comment that comes through this channel, and I would love the chance to be able to introduce myself to you. Now this strategy is crazy simple, and there's a lot of leverage that you can show people to give them reason to want to pay you this money. And if you stay till the end of this video, I'm actually going to share with you my exact email template that you can use. You can copy and paste it, just change out some of the details to match your own and get people to pay you this money. So let's get into it. Okay, so the reason that this method works so well is that people that are running businesses online, that have websites and are trying to collect money, are going to start to lose sales and trust from their buyers and their customers, because not long ago, Google recently rolled out an update, which means that if a website does not have what's called an SSL certificate, I'm going to explain that in a second, their website is now going to be shown as not secure when people are accessing their website. So you can put yourself in that position, right? Imagine if you were going to purchase something from a website and you saw this big not secure warning at the top of the page when you're about to input your credit card information. That would cause you and most people to go back or not finish the checkout process of whatever you're trying to buy, right? And you can see the warning here at this page. This is where people see that if they don't have that SSL certificate. Remember, I'm going to teach you how to collect the money and how to have somebody else do the work for you, so you don't have to do any of that stuff when it comes to finding these people that need your help and fixing their SSL certificate. So let's talk about what an SSL is really quick. At the top of this page, you can see that there's a lock. See that lock right there in the address bar? That means that this page is secure, and that's an SSL certificate. If the lock is not there, Google is going to show a warning that says not secure. Now, to set up that lock, it's actually really easy to do. Most places will allow you to just check a button and the lock will appear. But business owners don't know that that's all you have to do, right? It comes down to knowing that it exists and knowing how to turn it on. Oftentimes, like mechanics, like I used to be an automotive mechanic, right? Sometimes I would do a job that only took me 5 minutes to do. I only had to take off 2 bolts off of a vehicle in order to be successful at completing that job. And I didn't get paid because the job only took 10 minutes. That didn't mean that I got paid a little amount of money. I actually got paid for the value that I delivered, for the expertise that I have on knowing what bolts to take off a car in order to fix the problem, right? So knowing which bolt to turn here is what business owners are going to pay you for. And this is actually a really easy process to do. It's just a 3-step process. And the first step of it is locating your prospect, right? The second step is the outreach. And if you stay till the end of this video, I'm going to give you an email template that you can use in order to outreach to these people without even having to go into them, to their business, or call them on the phone. What my students like to do is just send them an email, let them know that their website is not secure, and they're happy to reach back out to you and pay you money to fix this problem. So number 3 is to outsource the work. And that's what I like to do, right? I don't like to do the work. Most people don't know how to do this stuff, and I don't blame them, because, you know, having the automotive skill set that I have, I didn't know how to do this stuff in order to get started. And oftentimes people get caught up in saying, well, Nick, I don't know how to do this stuff. Well, I'm going to show you how to do this stuff, and you don't have to have any experience. So let's talk about locating our prospects, right? If you want to be successful with this method, all you have to do is find a business that has an unsecure website in Google. Now, I'm going to do this on the fly, just totally off the cuff. Let's say we go to Roofer Denver, right? I haven't done this search before, and I want you to see how easy it can be to find a business that needs your help. I like to go to the map section once I do my search, and then go through these listings, because these are all usually some smaller businesses. Oftentimes I'll just skip to the second page because that will be the people that really need your help more. A lot of the people that are on the first page, they usually have some pretty good help and they have a decent presence already. So these are all businesses that could potentially have unsecure websites. So I just go down the list and I try to find one or many that need my help. So all you have to do is click on the listings, and if you load a website and you see at the very top of the page, it says not secure, that means that this business does not have a secure website. So people that are going to try to talk to these businesses, check out anything on their page, they're going to be reminded that it's not secure. And this causes a business to lose their customers, right? So this is really, really important. Remember that Google is doing this for a reason. They're issuing this notification for a reason, and it's so that people will know when they cannot trust a website. So just the simple fact that you can point out to a business owner that their website is displaying something that is making them not trustworthy to their potential customers is going to get their attention really quick. And we have people, businesses, paying us money to fix this problem. So now let's jump into the next section, which is the outreach, right? You know how to find the businesses that need your help. You know what you're talking about, but let's talk about outreach. So now all you have to do is send them an email from my template, which you can see on the screen right now. I'm going to put a link to that below the video in the description so you can download this totally free. If you appreciate that I'm giving you my email template that we use to score businesses this way, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, make sure you hit the bell icon and get those notifications, because what I try to do in this channel is put out real world stuff that's from the trenches of local marketing that really works, things that I'm doing and my students are doing to have success with. It's not just hypothetical strategy that people have never tried and haven't had success with. We really like to focus on stuff that works, and if that is important to you, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button below this video. So after you send out your emails and you get a response from the people that are willing to pay you to fix this problem, all you have to do is find somebody that will do that work for you, and I'm going to show you how easy that can be. So go to Google and type in legit.com with 2 I's, L-E-G-I-I-T, and there are people on this website that live all over the world that are a lot smarter than I am, probably a lot smarter than you are too, and they can do things like install these SSL certificates for a small fee. So if I just type in install SSL, there are people here that will install this certificate for you for a fee. So this guy right here, he charges $49 to install this certificate, and he has different tiers. He'll do more for you for $69 or $99. And what I like to use in order to give these guys the credentials to the website, because some people might say, hey Nick, I don't want to give my customers credentials or my website credentials to this person. Well, what I use is a tool called LastPass, right? Make sure that you check out all these links in the bottom of this video because I want you to have access to these tools. So LastPass is a tool that allows you to save passwords and share them with people without actually giving them the details of the password. So I create a LastPass account, I save the details of the client website, and then I share the credentials with this guy who's going to be fulfilling the work. And when he's done, I just remove his access. It takes like 1 minute to do. Anybody can do this. And what I do is I charge the client a higher fee than what this guy is charging. So he's charging $50 to fulfill an SSL certificate. You can charge $300 or $400 or even $200 or even $100, and just keep 50 of it for yourself. The main thing is that you want to make a little money and also start a relationship with this business so you can also do other things for them. So now I've taught you those 3 simple steps, right? Locating your prospect, how to find and outreach them, sending them that awesome email template that I gave you, and how to outsource the work. If you like or got any value out of this, anything at all, make sure to like this video and hit subscribe. And if you want more information, you're like, hey Nick, this is a great idea, I love this strategy, I can be successful with this strategy. Well, I do have a really solid course that I created not long ago. It's called SSL Sniper. It's an exhaustive training on how to do this. We answer a lot of the questions, any questions that you really would have. And I also created a software not long ago that allows you to do these types of searches, locating these businesses that don't have SSL certificates in bulk directly through the software. You can find 50 to 100 of them at once and email them directly through the software. So all the manual labor is really taken out of the equation. But keep in mind, you don't need any of that stuff, right? You have everything you need to be successful. If you want more information on SSL Sniper, there's a link in the description below this video. So again, if you got any value out of this video, any at all, please subscribe to this channel. Let me know in the comments below that you subscribe. I respond to every single person who subscribes and comment in the description below. Love to interact with everybody here, and I'll see you in the next video.